You guys, this video is about making keto chaffles for the first time. I heard everyone talking about the keto chaffles, so I went out and bought myself a mini chaffle maker or a mini waffle maker, and I'm going to make some chaffles. As you can see, the ingredients that I used were an egg, and I mixed my egg first, and in the egg I went ahead and added some drops of vanilla flavoring, some stevia, and a few shakes of cinnamon. I mixed this together. Make sure you blend it very well together. I used a measuring cup because it was easiest for me to use this to be able to pour it onto the mini waffle pan, and using that measuring cup helped a whole lot. So after I mixed those ingredients together really well, I got ready to go ahead and make my keto chaffle. So to start, what I did was I took about a tablespoon of mozzarella cheese and I just spreaded that around the bottom of the griddle. And then I took some of the egg mixture that I had and I carefully poured that in there just to cover as much of the bottom as I could. And then after I poured enough on it, I went ahead and added about another tablespoon or a little bit more of the mozzarella cheese on top. And I spreaded this around pretty well, everywhere. And afterwards, then I went ahead and closed the griddle and I let it cook, I'd say for about 25 seconds, something like that. But as it was cooking, you can see it smokes really well. So I just checked it along the way. Since it was the first time I made a chaffle, I didn't want to burn it. So I checked it occasionally just to see how it was doing. And then, as you can see, it came out very well. I was really impressed with what I got. As you can see, it's cooked really well on both sides. So I'm getting ready to make my second chaffle. Might as well have two, right? I don't know how I'm going to eat, if I'm going to make a sandwich or whatever, but I know I want to. Okay, I think I'll let that cook just a little bit more. So I think it's about ready. That looks pretty good right there. So I'm going to go ahead and take this chaffle out. Wow, it really smells good too. It smells like vanilla. I'm sure that's due to the flavoring that I put in it. And here they are, the chaffles. They look so good. And I'm going to have these with about a tablespoon and a half of sugar-free syrup and some butter. They are so delicious. Anyway, you all should try these. Remember to please like and share. Thank you. This is Keto Granny. Also, please subscribe. If you need keto coaching, please go to www.ketogrannycoaching.com and send me a message and we'll get you started.